On this video, we visit the Feather River Byway, Northern California. You're going to like it. Don't go away. Hey guys, this is Charlie. So we went up to the Feather River Byway. That's in Northern California. It's an absolutely breathtaking drive. We only drove about 40 miles of it and turned around due to other obligations, but highly recommended. Feather River Byway. From Reno, Nevada, take Highway 395, about 25 miles north on Highway 395. You take that to Highway 70, and you'll head west on 70, and you go west on 70, 55 miles, all the way to where it joins with 89. And at that point, Gray Eagle is just a couple of miles south of there. You might want to stop at Gray Eagle. That's a really cool place, too. So from that point at where it joins 89, you travel 55 miles north on 89 to Quincy. And there you can get something to eat and gas up. And about 8 miles further north is a nice little campground called Spanish Creek Campground. It's a Forest Service campground. We stayed there for 3 nights, I think it was. The host there has been there for like 8 years. His name is Tom. He's a super guy. Anyway, it's a real nice campground, very well maintained. And it was like $25 a night. You can't beat it. And with our senior discount, it came out to like $12.50 a night. So super deal. Anyway, you want to get on that Feather River Byway and take a drive. It kind of goes west by southwest. Just a spectacular drive. Now, I did get quite a bit of drone video, but really only from one location. Turns out there's 3 hydroelectric little dams along the river, which parallels the road. And of course, hydroelectric facilities are definite no-fly zones. So couldn't fly anywhere near there, even though there were some super things I wanted to get an aerial shot of. I didn't do it. I was a good boy. The vantage point you'll see on the video is 31 miles down Feather River Highway from where the campground was. So 31 miles. Anyway, very cool. Highly recommended. I will also include a brief campground review of the Spanish Creek Campground towards the end of this video. you.